Once you open Visual Studio Code, you are going to see something like this. And from here, you can create a new file, select the type, and start typing your code. On the left side, you see an Explorer. When you open a folder, you will see all the files in that folder here. From here, you have a global search option. Then you have a Git option. We'll come to this later in the course. Then you have a debug and extensions. And we are going to work with extensions right now. So once you have installed VS Code and you are here, you are going to do search for live server. And install this extension. Live server is going to help us run our HTML pages right into our browser without any effort. Just click on go live and it's gonna run our HTML page into the browser.